I say very big welcome to you. Let me tell you guys, I have a very good news for you. A very perfect good news. Somebody asked me to buy her this true lotion, and she said she want to promise it, with her own idea. I said, okay, let me use, this medium of time to talk about this true lotion. Very good lotion that you can use, especially this more than good Paris Beauty Garden. This is a very nice lotion that you can always use. Hardly before you will say it doesn't work on your skin or it causes any side effect. Hardly before this true lotion will. Apparently you must have gone to use tubes and maybe use any of those unwanted recipe, because most of us, we don't know that our skin doesn't need some recipe. There are some recipe that when you add to your cream or you add to your formulation, and your formulation will go sideways. So try to know about that. So if you want to premix this and you intend to use this tube or fashion fair, like I told you, if you're using tube, you should always be careful. I told you what tubes are made for. If you're premixing this lotion and use this tube and you're using this particular the cream type, okay, it's still preferable, it's manageable if you're using the cream type. But when you're using the other type, which is the gel, I would always tell you, please don't use it. Don't use it. And then again, some people use this for their face and body. If you want to use it for your face and body and you want to see a successful result, in as much you put this tube, let me advise you, there's another tube I will advise you to always put again, so that it will be very, very safe for you. All right. So I advise you to put this Apovate, because in as much as a lighting product for skin, also it's still for acne. You can use it for acne. It's very, very okay. So when you're adding this tube, you should consider adding this one, and if you tend to use it for body and face. But before that, you should know your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, it becomes a problem. I told you many times that it's very good you know your skin type. If you know your skin type, you've conquered 50% to 60% of your skin problem. Okay. So now, if you are adding it to this one, I will advise you do not just use it for only body, and make sure you use, if you're using this one, use this one or half is okay. Don't be those type that they said they want to. This is carrot. This is a carrot type of it. We have different type. This is the carrot type of it. So in other words, they have the tendency, because of the carrot is the lightning property. So because of that, it have the tendency of getting you lighter. And if you're putting this one, it will make you more, lighter or white. So if you're using this, please, not all of them, or if you're using all of them, don't use more than one, and use it for a period of time to lighten up and stop it. You can use other ones. All right. Then if you're using it and it's drying your skin up, I will advise you to put any of this, put any of this cosmetic oil that you have, essential oil. You can put any of the essential oil. Let me tell you another essential oil you can put. If you have not used this tube, I will advise you to use another carrot essential oil, to blend with this, and it will make your skin pop up and also soften your skin, and you get this emollient, soft skin. All right. So those are the ones I advise you to use. We have other product that you can also use too. All right. So that it is. Then if I were to say go for the best between these two, because some people do ask me that question, for these two, which one will I use? The two are best. But if you tend to use anyone for face, and body, you can use this one for face and body. I've seen somebody who used it and it works for her. Are you getting in? And also it add up temp Apovate to it. All right, you can use that, and that's all. Don't load tube inside it. That is another way around. If you are adding much tube, or it might cost you something that you wouldn't like. All right, so you can see this product anywhere and buy them, and make sure you buy the original one. They work perfectly. They work perfectly. They don't give knuckles, they don't give green vein, they don't give any stretch mark. If you're using it and you're experiencing green veins such at all, you're experiencing green vein, stretch mark, any of that, you are experiencing them, apparently you're using something to mix it that did not align with your skin. So that is my advice. You quit, you leave that in, and you stop, you start using only the product. But if at all that you use it that is not lighting you up, you can put our activator. For most of you that who buy product, when you buy product and you complain that it doesn't work, I told you that I got your back, that I have an activator that you can use when you put for your product. No matter how that product is stubborn, it will always pop your skin. And it's known as Blend Pro 9. We are the only people who sell Blend Pro 9. A lot of people from US, Canada, UK, they meet me, they buy those products, they say their product they buy is not working, and when they buy those products, yes, and it work for them, because I'm telling you how it's supposed to be. Guys, do not lose it. Do not lose it. Your skin now you dey enjoy am small. No go dey use yama or rishi to miss your cream. All right, no go dey meet yama or rishi vendors. They're many for this eco where we did. So all right, do not forget that we ship worldwide, and if you want to buy any product that you want to use and you want to see result in 3 days, in 1 week, we got your back. We have a lot of products. You can see them like Yellow CC Pro, or you can see Yellow CC regular one, or you can see our Blend Pro 9 set, or you can see our emollient set, and also see our Glow Clear set. All right, we have a lot, even the golden white injection, so you can see that one, or you can see this our oil. This oil now get in 1 week, I bet you this oil, when you did the screen, they pop up for you. So that oil in 1 week you will see result. I bet you. If you don't work, make I refund your money for you, my people. It is what it is. Here I come and I tell you the real gist. All right, it is what it is. So bye bye.